Hello, kids. I am A. This is an apple. Hello, kids. I am B. This is a ball. Hello, kids. I am C. This is a cat. Hello, kids. I am D. This is a duck. Hello, kids. I am E. This is an elephant. Hello, kids. I am F. This is a fish. Hello, kids. I am G. These are grapes.
Hello, kids. I am H. This is a hen.
Hello, kids. I am I. This is an ice cream. Hello, kids. I am J. This is juice.